Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. LASCO is seeking a stake in the lucrative medicinal ganja industry. The company today launched the intention at a press briefing at its White Marl St. Catherine manufacturing plant. Dashan Hendricks reports.
LASCO, another local company calling itself Cannabinoid Research and Development, CRD, and US-based United Cannabis UCAN, have partnered to exploit the local ganja industry.
We want to highlight and make it abundantly clear that our involvement now in cannabis is strictly for medicinal purpose only.
The LASCO chairman Lassell String saying the applications have gone into the Cannabis Licensing Authority CLA and the Ministry of Health asking for licenses to grow, manufacture, transport, research and export cannabis products.
Currently, we are capable of producing the CDB infused water in our existing plant.
He said orders have come in for the product from Australia and inquiries from Canada, Italy and the Ukraine. In a few months, a new company will be formed to manufacture more than just ganja-flavored water.
I think right off the bat, we're talking 25 to 30 different products.
We are looking at hemp products first because the necessary legal allowances enable us to be able to do that.
His company will also supply farmers with the strains of cannabis plants to be grown. The expected potential for all is in the billions of dollars, and as such, this urging to the CLA
to quickly approve our application to manufacture so that we can capitalize on this wonderful opportunity to benefit not only LASCO, but the farmers and Jamaica.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $125.29. The Canadian dollar is selling for $104.61. The pound sterling costs $175 and the euro is going for $154.91. Petrol prices are set to rise tomorrow. Petrojam says it will hike the price of a litre of E1087 and E1090 gasoline by 48 cents each. The price of a litre of regular diesel goes up 30 cents, while the low sulfur variety is down 34 cents. Kerosene will cost 10 cents more. A litre of propane is costing 35 cents more, while butane is up $1.75. In the meantime, the price of oil topped $65 a barrel for the first time in more than 3 years. Oil for delivery in March rose $1.14 to sell at $65.61 a barrel. It is the highest settlement since December 5, 2014. The JSE index declined by more than 1,657 points, while the junior market index lost 2. Stocks posting gains included Berger, Carreras, GWest Corporation, Jamaica Broilers, LASCO Manufacturing, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Stationery and Office Supplies, and VM Investments. On the losing end were Access Financial, Caribbean Producers, General Accident, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, Mayberry Investments, Pulse Investments, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.